gave me to. I was so small to listen to. It looks like I'm gonna be. Hi guys, what's up? It's been a long time I actually spoke to you guys. I don't know I don't even know what was the last clip you guys saw, but I think that was when I went for a shoot or something. I came back really late that day. I was so tired. I think the shoot was on a Sunday. Today is I think today is Wednesday. Yeah, today is Wednesday. And I've just been resting, to be honest. I'm using my front camera just in case. Look at my eyes. My makeup is still on my face. Glue and all those things, they are still there on my face. It's raining. I wanted to go to the bank today to sort out like account issues and everything. I have to do it like YouTube account and everything. But the rain is just discouraging me, so I'm trying to see if I can do online and see if they'll like reply or just ask me to come down. I've already opened the account, but like God, I've been resting, guys, and I've been working. Like I was so busy last week, throughout last week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, Saturday, Sunday I didn't go anywhere. I think Friday, Thursday I had somewhere to be. Friday, Saturday I didn't go anywhere. Sunday I went out. So I've been so busy, so I'm trying to catch up, edit my videos and everything. It's just been there. Anyway, right now I want to go and have a bath, then record some videos. I don't even know if I have the space to do this. Record some videos because of PR. Like I have a lot of PR here that I've never done anything to. I want to just do them like little by little. And that's just it. Like look at my face. A lot of makeup is still there because you clean and clean, glue in my eyes, everything. My hair is just messed up. I think it's time to relax my hair already because I think it's 3 months. This hair is over 3 months now. I think it's time. It's time. The hair has saved me. Mine is very soft, so I don't want to like over relax it so it doesn't start falling or comes too thin because I think it's very very thin right now. That's just the update. I just finished filming, no, taking pictures of PRs that I got because I don't take pictures. I'm just like, let me just take these pictures and post them. So I just finished taking pictures. Now I want to like have a bath and film about few videos, just the ones that my phone space can. Oh God, I just have 2 gig. Alright, guys, bye. I just finished rambling. It looks like I have exactly 5 gig to spare. I don't even know why this camera is looking like this today. I don't know what I switched in the settings. Let me look at it. Okay, so hi guys. I just had the bath. I'm about to film. So that's why my face is like so dry right now. I was filming skincare content. I just want my face to be in its natural state. But before that, I don't know what to do first. Should I first film the unboxing with you guys or film whatever I have to film, then come back? I think I'll film whatever I have to film, but guys, I want to show you guys my hair. If you watched my, I don't know, a previous vlog, let's say 2 vlogs away, you remember when I styled this. You should remember when I actually styled the, what's it called, that wig. I told you guys I was styling my old wig. Yeah, do you know that I think 3 weeks ago, three or 2 weeks ago, I think, I've not had time. I've been very very busy, so that this hair has just been there. That's just been there. I didn't think, I thought at most even if it was going to stay there, it was going to be like maybe a week or so. Look at me now. Even in this vlog, I'm forcing myself to film it because I have a bunch of things to do. I don't know what this will look like. I'm scared. I just hope it's not a fail. I hope it's not earring. It looks weird. Oh, my shadow. Anyway, this is what it looks like. This is even my size. It just looks so weird on my head. Whew. Okay, so I don't know what to do with this. Maybe I should this it looks like is a very old one. So okay, let's take it from here. I'll still put conditioner. Like I just want to loosen this stuff. Good. It's not coming. Okay, I think I should do it like this. Well, hey, I hope it will get better because this one is leaving anyhow. Wow, guys, can you guys see that? I can't really see you guys properly, but can you guys see? Hey, it looks like I'm gonna be a wig influencer after all. This one, the colors are different too. So down, let's do the rest off camera and come back. Okay, hey guys, what's up? They just took the lights while I was filming for this brand 25 Skin. So I just said let me just do an unboxing of all the PR that I have around me that I've not shown you guys. Is there any other thing? I can't stand up. I'll just show you guys the ones that I got this recently from 25 Skin. Like, I'm really excited to be trying this one out because the reviews I've been seeing on this 25 Skin, that's even why I reached out to them. And I'm so happy. They had a workshop, but I was working on that day. Hard work, like money must be made, but I really wanted to go. I already accepted the job before I realized I was on the same day. It came with this kind of a bulletin, whatever. When I have time, I'm going to read it. Then they also sent me they gave me 2 tickets. If I was going, I would have taken a plus one, probably a friend. I actually wanted to go with my mom because she was like, oh, it'd be nice for her to go. I'd already consented to the job before I realized it was the same date. The next one is this from Dekina Beauty. I think I showed you guys one of my vlogs. That was when I was recording the content for them. Dekina Beauty. Yeah, the beauty radiance oil, face and body oil brand. They have their oil here. I've never even used it. I don't like to use a lot of things on my body, so if I'm not using it, maybe I'll give it to my sister or my mom or my brother, just anybody. But I took pictures for their brand. I don't know if I should film this content now. This brand, Sugar Baby, they sent me this. They've sent me this before, but they now sent this one. This is their glow serum, and this is their penetrate mask. I don't know. I'm going to try to store. My battery is even low, so I'm going to wait till. Let's see if they bring the light. If they don't bring the light, I'll see if this quality is okay, and just go ahead and film it with it. So this is from Sugar Baby. Then what else? Okay, trying to show you guys. I laid the hair already. This piece is like so thick. I like it. I just love how it came out. Amazing what I have. My phone just went off. My battery is like less than 10% already. So I got this one too recently from EC3. And if you guys want to know, some of them reach out to me. Most of them reach out to me. I also reach out to like most of them. Like if you reach out to about 50 people, let's say like 3 brands will reply you. Okay, let's say 5 brands will reply you. 3 will send you their product. 2 will reply and tell you, oh, they are currently not, whatever. But they sent me this. Like I've done an unboxing already. you go to my channel and check it. Check me this. This is kind of, oh, my battery is low. This is a toner. This is their onion booster. This thing, I don't know. I've not figured out that thing. Anytime I apply it on my face, always really. They sent me this hyaluronic acid serum, which I love actually. Then this is also their sunscreen. It's really, really nice. I love all their products. I'm trying to love this one because when I use it, feel like I'm inserting needles into my skin, and that's what it says actually. You have to repair your skin or something like that. Why am I not showing you guys? I think that's it. I think that is it for now. I'm happy about this, my hair. I'm happy. And that's just it for now. I'm gonna charge my phone. I don't want it to go off. Okay, bye guys. Guys, do you know that immediately I stood up, cleared everywhere, was just ready to rest. The body light. I'm tired of this country. I'm tired. Hey guys, what's up? I don't know, I'm just trying to fill you guys in. I've had like a crazy past few days, but it's all good. I got my nails done. I think that was on Saturday. I'm not feeling too well. Oh my god, I just got back like, let's say, another 30 minutes ago or 2 hours ago. I went to work, but currently I'm not feeling too well. I'm feeling so cold. That's why I even put on this light here, so that you know this warm light just makes everywhere warm a bit. So this makeup is still like really nice. But look at my forehead. I don't know if I switch this light. I like it. Let me turn it so that you guys will like see the makeup. The makeup was done by Cakes Glam.